Hello friends, good afternoon. Had your lunch? Yeah. So daily we eat delicious food, right? And we eat vegetables, fruits, gingers, lemons, etc. So all these food materials are made up of carbohydrates. So we may have a doubt right now. What is meant by carbohydrates? Yes, our topic is about carbohydrates. So let us begin our topic. Okay. So carbohydrates. Carbohydrate means carbon plus hydrates. Okay. So hydrates means H2O. So hydrates of carbon containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So having the formula CnH2nOn. So but there are some exemptions. So here they given two examples, lactic acid and acetic acid. So lactic acid is found in sour milk products and acetic acid is found in any kind of vinegar, mostly in pickle products. Okay, so this formula is what CnH2nOn. So this formula is satisfied for lactic acid and acetic acid, but these are not a genuine carbohydrates, right? So but this formula doesn't satisfy for deoxyribose, but this is a genuine carbohydrate. So here given another definition, which is polyhydroxyaldehydes. Ketones means C double bond O, and compounds which are produce them on hydrolysis. Whatever the compounds which are produce them on hydrolysis means, so hydrolysis means the chemical breakdown of a compound due to reaction with water. Okay, and here carbohydrates. So carbohydrates, these are divided into four types. So monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides, polysaccharides. So mono means single, saccharides means sugar. Okay, so single unit of sugar molecules, so which the monosaccharides cannot hydrolyze further. Okay, and disaccharides, these are two sugar units and connected with glycosidic linkage. So glycosidic linkage means a glycosidic bond, or glycosidic linkage is a type of covalent bond that joins a carbohydrates molecule to another group. Okay, and which may or may not be another carbohydrate. Okay, and oligosaccharides which means 3 to 7 sugar units. Okay, and polysaccharides means more than 8 sugar units. Okay, so here first monosaccharides is on the basis of functional groups like aldehydes or ketones, and on the basis of number of carbon atoms. Okay, and in this monosaccharides there are one sugar unit is present, and these monosaccharides are sweet in taste and they are crystalline. So crystalline means a crystal or crystalline solid is a solid material whose constituents such as atoms, molecules or ions are arranged in a highly ordered microscopic structures, forming a crystal lattice that extends all directions, like example salt, sugar, chocolates, etc. So these monosaccharides are soluble in water also. Okay, and so these monosaccharides are divided based on number of carbon atoms. So triosis, tetrosis, pentosis, hexosis, heptosis. Trio means 3, tetro means 4, pento means 5, like that. Okay, so triosis, example glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. Tetrosis example is erythrulose. Pentosis, ribulose. Hexosis, glucose, fructose. Heptosis, glucoheptose, pseudoheptose. Okay, so there are some different tastes for monosaccharides. So mol is for carbohydrates, and benedict for reducing the sugar. Okay, and barfood for monosaccharides, and selvina for ketone sugar. So we can also remember like this front letters MBBS. Okay, like this. And these monosaccharides which are found in honeys, sugars, dairy products, beans and fruits, etc. Okay, so another one is disaccharides. So di means two, saccharides means sugar. So these are connects with glycosidic linkage and containing two sugar units, and these disaccharides are divided into two types. One is reducing disaccharides and another is non-reducing disaccharides. Reducing disaccharides, here two examples are given. Lactose means milk sugar product for younger babies. Okay, and these lactose are made up of galactose and glucose beta 1 to 4 glycosidic linkage, and another name is for lactose, it is beta galactosyl 1 to 4 beta D glucose. Okay, and maltose. Maltose, these maltose are found in bread, wheat, sweet potatoes, etc. Okay, so these maltose are made up of glucose, and glucose penetrate by 1 to 4 glycosidic linkage. Okay, and another name is for maltose is alpha D glucosyl 1 to 4 alpha D glucose. Okay, and reducing disaccharides are computed, and another is non-reducing disaccharides. So non-reducing disaccharides, in this sucrose, example is sucrose. So these sucrose are found in fresh fruits and dark chocolates and cakes, etc. Okay, so this sucrose, so sucrose is made up of glucose plus fructose penetrated by alpha 1 beta 2. Okay, so in this glucose and fructose, and this carbons are involved bond formation. So these are, that is the reason these are non-reducing disaccharides. And another one is third, oligosaccharides. So oligosaccharides, these are found in onions, garlics, legumes, wheat, etc. Okay, so example for these oligosaccharides are rhamnose, which are found in oranges, winter cabbage, carrots, etc. Okay, and next one is stachyose. Stachyose is found in human milk and many vegetables like green beans, soya beans, etc. And final example is racemose. So these racemose are found in seeds, nuts, eggs, grains, etc. Okay, so this is the oligosaccharides, and the final one is polysaccharides. So these polysaccharides are found in wheat, oats, rice, legumes, etc. And these are not sweet to taste. Okay, and these are amorphous means shapeless. Example for food product is many food powders. Okay, and they are insoluble in water. Okay, and these polysaccharides are divided into two types. One is homopolysaccharides, another is heteropolysaccharides. Homo means same, hetero means different. Okay, so homopolysaccharides. So these homopolysaccharides are made up of same sugar units. Okay, like glucose plus glucose plus glucose, glucose, etc. Okay, so here they given examples for homopolysaccharides. So first one is starch. So starch, it is plant storage form, so made up of glucose penetrate by 1 to 4 glycosidic linkage. Okay, so it is the plant storage form, and glycogen is animal storage form. Okay, and cellulose, another example is cellulose. So this cellulose, it contains beta penetrate by 1 to 4 glycosidic linkage, and there is no enzyme present in human beings, so it acts as dietary fiber and important role in increasing bulk of stool. Okay, and so these cellulose relieve constipation and decrease absorption of cholesterol and glucose from our intestine. Okay, and it helps for obesity, diabetes, like some disorders. Okay, and another one is dextrin. Dextrin, it is partially degradation product of the starch composed of glucose molecules. Okay, and dextran, it is a plasma expander. And chitin, is, it is present in exoskeleton of insects. Okay, and final one is inulin, it is a polymer of fructose, and it is used for measurement of GFR means glomerulus filtration rate. Okay, and another one is heteropolysaccharides. Homopolysaccharides are complete. Another one is heteropolysaccharides. So hetero means difference. Okay, different polysaccharide, and which means hetero means different. Okay, so when the constituent sugar units are different, so they are known as heteropolysaccharides. So whatever the sugar units are there, they are different, so these saccharides are called heteropolysaccharides. Okay, so example, they given agar and agarose. So agar means, so this agar is found in substitute to gelatin, and it is used in cabbages, ice creams, jelly candies, etc. Okay, and another one is hyaluronic acid. So it is acts as shock absorbers present in synovial joint. Okay, And heparin, it is a anticoagulant. Okay. And another example is chondroitin sulfate. So this is present in tendon, so cartilage of bone. Okay. And dermatin sulfate, derma means skin, so it is present in skin and heart valves and blood vessels, etc. So, and another one is functions of carbohydrates. What are the functions of carbohydrates? So here we will see glucose functions. So it provides energy source, 4 calories per gram for brain. Okay. And lactose, it is milk sugar provided to the younger babies. For younger babies, this lactose provide milk. Okay. And sucrose can sugar cane or table sugar. Okay. And starch is storage form of carbohydrates in plants, already we discussed. And glycogen is storage form of carbohydrates in animals. Okay. And dextran, it is used for treatment of shocks. Okay. And glycoprotein and glycolipids, it is important for plasma membrane. Okay. And the final is carbohydrates. What these carbohydrates are important for formation of exoskeleton in insects and formation of cell wall. Okay. So here in this lesson we discussed about, so definition of carbohydrates and classification, examples, and important functions of carbohydrates. Okay. So this is the end of the lesson. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.